today's video we are going to see the chapter integers, exercise 1.2, question number 2. Find the value of each of the following. The first subdivision, 1846 is multiplied by 29 minus, again minus 1846. See, 1846 into 29, and see here is one minus, and inside that bracket is one minus here. See, if minus is multiplied by minus, then we will get plus. You know that, right? So, we will get 1846. So, see here I can write this 1846 as 1846 into 29 plus, again 1846 into 1 I can write. See, instead of writing 1846, I am just writing it as 1846 into 1. If it is multiplied by 1 also, we will get the same number, right? So, I am just to use the property, I am just writing this multiplication by 1. Okay children, do you understand why I am writing this? See, from this you can say what property is used here. Can you say? Yes, it is distributive property over addition, right? That is, what is that property says? If A cross B plus C, then it is equal to A cross B plus A cross C. That is A multiplied by B plus A multiplied by C, right? See, we have got the same number 1146 in the both terms. So, I can say they have used this property, distributive property over addition. See, you have to mention over here distributive property over addition, right? Okay children, whatever property you are using, just mention it in the bracket. Okay, so now we can write this 1846 as A cross what 20, here is 129 and here is 1 here. So, we have taken out this common number 1846 in multiplied by 29 is here and 1 is here. So, now we can form this distributive property, right? A cross B plus C, which is equal to the given problem A cross B plus A cross C. It is in the form of A cross B plus A cross C. Okay children, now we have got the A cross B plus A cross B plus C. Okay children, so 1846 into 29 plus 1 we will get 30, right? So, multiplied by 30, 0 will come, 6 3s are 18, 1 carry over, 4 multiplied by 3 12, 12 plus 1 13, 1 and 8 3s are 24, 24 plus 1 25, 2, 3 1 is 3 and plus 2 is you will get 5. So, the answer will be 5,000. Really sorry, 555,380 is our answer. Do you understand children? From the given problem, you have to identify in which property, which form of property they have used. Okay, so then only you can identify. After identifying that property, you can do the problem. Okay children, next we will see the second one. What is the second problem? 356 multiplied by 430 minus 356 multiplied by 432. Okay, see, first you just see the problem clearly, then only you know which property they have used here. See, 356 into 430 is the first term, and second term also the same number is repeating here, 356 into 432. So, instead of writing again and again this 356 in both terms, you can take out this 356 and you can write 430 minus 432, right? That is A cross B minus C. That is A cross B minus C. This is equal to A cross B minus A cross C. See from this we have got the sum. A cross B is here and A cross C is here. Do you understand how we are connecting this property to this problem? See, A cross B cross C we have formed now, but in the problem they have given in the same property form, that is A cross B minus A cross C. See, both the terms are first term is equal in both the terms, that is A. If we take this 356 as A cross B is 430 and A again is 356 is coming, and the A cross C is 432. Do you understand, children, how we are using this property? So here also you have to write distributive property over subtraction, right? Subtraction. See, in the previous problem we wrote like distributive property over addition, right? But here we are finding out the difference between the two terms. So you have to write distributive property over subtraction. So this is also for subtraction also distributive property satisfies the property. Okay, children. So we are going to find out A cross B minus C, because they have given the already in the form of A cross B minus A cross C. Now we have to find out A cross B minus C. So 356 into 430 minus 432. So 356 into 430 minus 432 will get minus 2, because before the higher number is the negative sign. So we have to write minus 2. If we put 2, the answer will be wrong. Okay, because the answer will come in positive sign, but we need the answer in negative sign, then only your answer is right. Okay, children. So 356 into 2. So 6 2s are 12, carry over 1, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 1 11, and 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 7. So our answer is minus 712. Do you understand, children, how we have to do this problem using the properties? That is why we have studied the properties before using this exercise problems. Okay, children. Next we will see the third subdivision. So third subdivision is 8 multiplied by 51, which is again multiplied by minus 125. See, if I multiply 8 into 51, I will get a number, and again I have to multiply the number into this minus 125. So it will be a very big process. Okay. So for doing this thing, we can regroup the number by associative property, right? What associative property says? A cross B cross C is equal to A cross B cross C. That is, either we can multiply A into B into C, or it is, instead of doing this, it will be easy, that is A cross B cross C. First we have to multiply B into C, and after that we will multiply by the term A. Okay, children. So I am doing this, that is we have to write this property, associative property, by regrouping the terms for our convenience. Okay. So first I will write 8 into minus 125 into 51, right? This A is 8 and B is minus 125, and I am putting this C as in the last term. So I will get minus 1000 into 51. So I will get minus 51,000 as the answer. Okay, children. Why we are doing this thing, do you understand? See, if you use this property, it will be easy to get the answer in a simple steps. Otherwise, you have to multiply this two number and again we have to multiply by the 125. Instead of doing that thing, we are using this property to solve the problem in an easy way. So, if 8 is multiplied, see, we will get the same answer here, but we are doing in a short way by using this property. Okay, children. Next, we will see the fourth problem. What is fourth problem? Minus 49 into minus 9 plus 49. Minus 49 into multiplied by minus 9 plus 49. Okay. See, here also we are going to use some property. Just think about which property will come here to use this problem to solve. Yes, distributive property. Again we are going to use this distributive property, that is 49 into 9 plus 49, right? Why I am writing this 49 into 9? See, both the terms are in negative sign, so automatically the negative sign will be get cancelled and I will get it in positive sign. So 49 into 9 plus 49, which is in the form of A plus B plus C, right? Which is equal to A cross B plus A cross C, right? We have studied this property. What is that? Distributive property over addition. We are using addition here. See, so we have to write distributive property over addition. Okay, so now I am going to expand this. So 49 into 9 plus 1. How will I get this thing? See, in the both the terms I am having 49. So I am taking out this 49 as a common term and I am writing, here is one 9 and I can write this as 49 into 1. Same, which is same as 49. We have done it in the previous problem, the first problem, first subdivision itself. Okay, children, 49 can be written as 49 into 1. So I can now generally I can take it out this 49 as a common term and I can write this as 9 plus 1, that is A cross B cross A cross C is equal to A cross B plus C. Okay, children, this is cross, that is multiplication. So 49 into 10, I will get 490. Easily we will get the answer. Okay, children. So we are using this distributive property here. So with this thing I am ending this session, and from the fifth subdivision onwards we will see it in the next session. And don't forget to subscribe our WonderMax channel and share it to your friends. And if you have any doubt in this properties to do, if you find any difficulty in this problem to understand, you can comment me in the comment section and I will try to solve all your doubts. Okay, children, take care.